Okay, so hi dear Capricorn. Very, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this journal of reading for all the Cappies, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind that this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the rules can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 16 till the 22nd of December. And it's valid for every 12 sign that you are dealing with along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. Now, if you want to be a tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. For the workshop as well, for my self love ebook as well, for one on one consultations or healing sessions, you can check out the website and you can like book the sessions with me if you want to. Now, let's start. Cappies, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. Let's see what's happening. Yeah. We have the Nine of Wands. So this person is feeling like they should keep their walls up. They are feeling like a wounded warrior, hurt and like traumatized by whatever is happening or whatever happened. Let me clarify the Nine of Wands as their feelings for you. We have the Magician, the Six of Cups, Ace of Swords. Yeah. See, this person is feeling like they should manifest the connection as it used to be at some point of time. You guys had a very beautiful history together. You guys had a very beautiful connection. And you guys were like at some point of time, you guys were so much involved in each other that you guys were not seeing anything else or anyone else, right? And now this person is feeling like wounded by the way things are going, and they're manifesting the same kind of love, the same kind of connection as it used to be at some point of time between you guys in the past. Now let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies? Page of Pentacles. So from your side, you feel like having a brand new beginning in some in this direction, but feeling like keeping things casual, keeping things light, not taking things too seriously. Let's clarify the Page of Pentacles. We have the Three of Swords, the Seven of Pentacles, the Strength card. Yeah, you feel like you should take things really very, very slow and very, very casual because you feel like you should not invite another heartbreak in your life whatsoever. Okay, you feel like you should keep yourself at a distance from everything and everyone. And once you are ready to like go in this direction, you should take it really very, very slow and casual. Yeah. Cool, because you are scared. You are scared and you feel like you should not invite another heartbreak in your life whatsoever. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Cappies. Three of Wands. Their intention is to wait and watch. Their intention is to physically moving on and like waiting for the time when something good is going to happen in the situation. Let's clarify the Three of Wands as their intentions. We have the Hermit, the Four of Pentacles, the Six of Pentacles. Yeah, they want to hold on to this idea that someday you guys are going to come on the same page and everything is going to be fine. Till that time comes, they just want to keep their energies down, keep their energies low key, and keep their mouth shut. It's like they don't want to like say or do anything stupid in this direction, and they want to wait for the right time when everything is going to be balanced between you guys eventually. Okay, let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side? Okay, let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies? We have the Three of Cups. You want coming together, coming back together, but you want to have that in a fun and casual way rather than taking it all serious and making it a big deal. You just want to keep it low and keep it casual. Let me clarify the Three of Cups. We have the Sun card, the Five of Cups, and the Knight of Pentacles. Yes, you just want to take things really very, very, very slow to the level of even making the other person feel like you are not here for them at all. You just want to be happy, Capricorn. You just want to be happy without any kind of risk of heartbreak, or regrets, or guilt, or pain. Just want to be happy. Just want to live in the moment and be happy and not think much about the future direction of any situation. Just keep going ahead. Okay. Cool. Let's see what's coming toward. You're scared. You're very, very scared of another heartbreak. That is why you just want to keep things casual, keep things lighthearted, keep things going, but in a casual and fun way. Let's see what's coming towards you till the 22nd of December. Cappies. Ten of Cups. I do see some kind of wish fulfillment coming in when it comes to a love and relationship area, but you are too scared to open up. Let's see the outcome. Let's clarify the Ten of Cups as the outcome, potential outcome of the situation. We have the Two of Pentacles, the Page of Swords, and Nine of Wands. Yeah. It's like you are going to be like, I'm into this, I'm not into this. I'm into this, I'm not into this. Okay, fuck it, I'm not into this. It's like you weighing down your pros and cons, weighing down your negatives and positive in a situation, and then detaching yourself because you're too hurt to participate in any situation as of now. So you are going to make the other person also feel like you're not interested, but it's not like that you're not interested. You are scared and you are hurt. That is why you're not able to open up to something or someone the way you should. That is the deal here. It's like two people trying to come together. One is quite ready and quite understanding. The other is like, because they are scared and they're continuously living in some kind of fear, they're continuously messing this up without even knowing that they're messing this up. That is the deal here. One of you is continuously messing the situation up. Other person is ready and mature enough to understand what's going on, and they are just kind of sticking to their ground, sticking to their guns in this situation. Let's see the guidance for you guys here. Fool card. Yeah, do not take unnecessary risk in this direction, Capricorn. If you are not ready, just say it loud and clear to the other person here. Okay, you don't have any right to make anybody a fool, right? So just tell them very openly and honestly that you are not ready and you need more time in order to understand your own energies, and then you are going to come back when you are ready. And or you can tell them clearly that they can go and have their life sorted and get their life sorted, because right now you are not ready and you are not available on that level. Please make sure that you're very, very clear in terms of what you really want, or what you really are going to do in this situation, with the other energy as well, and with yourself first and with the other energy as well. Otherwise it's going to be such a big disaster. You will not be able to handle it afterwards if you are not going to be clear right now with yourself and with the other energy involved with you. That's going to be a big time disaster then. Yeah. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.